Hey guys, welcome back at C&T Talk Rugged, and I'm here with Pei for Final Vision. So today we just want to see a showcase of how industrial computers are used in robotic automations and also factory automation solutions. So Pei, can you quickly tell me on what is this application that we're showing here?
So basically, this is our bin picking system, right? We have a tree, right? So it will capture the workpiece, and then it will return us with the coordinates and angle position of the workpiece. Then it will tell the software where to pick, and then the software is also responsible in doing the path planning, collision avoidance, and then we just pick and put into the bin. So in the demo here, we have a random bin as well as a sorted bin.
Okay.
So it will just rotate.
So it doesn't need to be tidy before you pick it up.
And showcase that the path planning, it can work in all orientation.
Why do you need to use an industrial computer like this?
First of all, because it's compact and it's rugged. So for some factory that working with the workpiece, some quite harsh. So it's good to have a compact and rugged PC.
I see. So instead of using a normal standardized desktop PC, having a compact and more durable is much more beneficial for the company itself, and the whole 24/7 operation is much more durable.
And also the processing speed is already good enough for this type of application.
I see. So this setup is already can run this whole applications that we're seeing right here.
Yeah. So it can already support the camera and also the software that we are using.
Okay. Well, yeah, thank you so much, and see you next time.